episode of Better Food Back Holiday Editions, okay? Inside pan, you will put red oil inside. Then you can put blend of fresh tomatoes, onions, and pepper inside. You can put this green paste. This I go tell you now what and blend inside that green paste. You can put crayfish. If you like, use all the money, your sugar daddy, sugar mommy, sugar on this. Take back crayfish. You can put inside pot. That now your business. You can put that seasoning, which is local beef seasoning. You pour it inside. You can mix some. Cover and make it simmer. What you do, you can open it. You can pour hot water and rice so you don't rinse. Yes, Papa. You can put Ajinomoto Maggi inside. You can put a sprinkle of your lot inside. If you don't know your lot, that not your business, okay? You can make some. Put any meat so you like, that not your business. Any meat so you like is your business. You can put burger fish and catfish. Burger fish they scare me because I remember that I go visit my grandma for village. She always use burger fish, say disguising our chicken. May I so rest in peace in Jesus' name, amen. Put belly, put curry, put hot water, mix, cover that to zimmer. Once the zimmer come back, come give her miss. Taste time if you need any more salt or you need more water. If you don't need, that is it. Put kick pro inside. If you like, put the pre at the beginning. If it's tough, that now your business. The longer you cook and the more tougher I get, the harder I get. That now your business. I know it's not like a hard. Anyway, thank you for watching. A peace out.